So, back to our Flail mower. Had to replace our shear bolt. So, I'm gonna go ahead and top this off with some fresh fluids and then throw our PTO shaft back in there. So, here I go.
I packed a photo of us from our very first date. You packed the water 'cause I couldn't carry the weight. And into the ashes you carved out a heart with our names. I can still picture your smile through the mask on your face. And we keep dancing through siren sound. They drown the crying out, but there's nothing to cry about, 'cause there's no one that I'd rather watch the world end with. We used to joke about how we thought this would go down. Super volcanoes and meteors out of the clouds. And we always knew it would end in a nuclear shroud. And we could say we told you so, but what good is that now? And I try to keep on the sunny side, but the sun's burning me alive. Guess there's nowhere better to die, 'cause there's no one that I'd rather watch the world end with. And there's no one that I'd rather watch the world end with. I'm sorry for the things I said. I never meant to break you the way you broke. In the distance over bridges I hear you calling out through the smoke. And I hold my breath while you choke. I watched the cars crash in slow motion, didn't look away. Should have seen what was coming. You stopped running, but all I know is a chase.
everybody, so we are back on our flail mower. It is a different day. Actually, it's a different day from a different day, and I'll explain. You see, I came and I purchased I tried to buy another grade 2 bolt such as this one right here, and they didn't have it, so I bought a grade 3. And as soon as I cranked the thing and got the PTO rolling, it shared it. So I had to go back and get more. So what I have now are, well, I actually have 2 varieties. So let me back up even from there. So I wound up getting a grade 5 and then a grade 8. So we are going to begin with a grade 5, and I'm going to explain what I'm doing and why I'm doing it as well. Give me just a second. Alright, so good time to explain something, I guess. And that is, shearing shear bolts recently. I've been getting equipment. Can't figure out what's going on. Not hitting nothing. You cut on your PTO. And sometimes you shear a shear bolt. Sometimes you don't. Well, the answer to that is maybe you're not doing anything wrong as far as wrong goes. Maybe it's not your fault, is what I'm trying to say. Maybe what's happening is on the tractor's end. We're going to try something in a minute and give it a test. Safety chains for our plastic shield. This is a good time to have a conversation. Do not, I repeat, do not ever try to step over a running PTO. If you were to hook your clothing on it, you could never get free from it fast enough to save yourself, and it'll drag you in. Imagine that.
I've climbed the mountains in Montana.
Maybe we'll just show a little clip of that for you.
San Francisco stayed with me.
Safety chain seems to be missing a loop.
How it feels to hang pictures on the wall, sleep in the
other than my bad driving.
And we
Alright everybody, let's get our Ford 4610 with a flail mower all straightened out. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit all them buttons down there and maybe even that join button. Till next time, friends.